Package contains the distribution module, inverter module, battery module. Installation tools. Unboxing the distribution module. Check the distribution module. Unboxing the battery module. Unboxing the inverter module. Check the inverter module and battery module. Accessories. Take off the waterproof case using screwdriver to take out screws and detach the base. The battery base should be placed in a level surface parallel to the wall. The gap between the wall and the battery module should be 93 mm and place the battery module accordingly. Secure the stacked battery modules with M5 screws on the sides and cover the screw nuts. Take out the angle iron from the accessory package and use M5 12 screws. Secure the angle iron to the wall side of the battery packs. Disassembling the distribution module back L bracket. Align the angle iron screw holes of the battery with the screw holes on the L bracket. Place the L bracket against the wall and mark the drilling locations. Drill the holes. After drilling, use M6*60 self-tapping screws to secure directly. Place the distribution module on the top of the battery module. Use screws to secure the battery and the distribution module. Install the battery angle iron and the L bracket. Remove the screws on both sides of the distribution module hood. Open the power distribution module hood upwards to a 90 angle. Clamp the support piece tightly and insert it into the slot. Before installing the inverter, release the cables. Connect the pay wire to the inverter terminal. Align the mounting holes of the inverter bracket and tighten the screws. Lift the inverter and hang it on the mounting bracket, ensuring it is secured. Secure the screws on both sides of the inverter and the bracket. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the inverter communication waterproof cover. Insert the meter signal wire through the reserved hole, passing it through the sealing ring. Connect the meter wire and communication cable to their corresponding interfaces and fix the waterproof cover. Plug in and tighten the AC gray interface. Plug in and tighten the backup output terminal. Correctly plug in the back terminals according to the color coding. Connect the ground wire. Connect the MC4 terminals to the PV ports on the device. Insert the dongle into the port at the bottom of the inverter. Remove the antenna terminal protection cover, then rotate clockwise to fix the antenna. Remove the PV terminal protection case and connect the pre-prepared PV terminals. Device power on testing. Turn on the battery switch and press the power button for 5 seconds. Check whether the device is powered on or not.